Okay, let's just get this over with.
But let me ask, Michelle, what is your plan in getting the money? I mean, it's not like you can just walk in the bank and draw it.
Marcus is old-fashioned. He has money in the bank and in stock market. But he has millions at home in a vault. He believes that you should always have cash when you need it.
And how do you plan on getting it?
I have a plan.
Isn't that where Tiffany's staying?
She's there sometime, but mostly at a friend.
Michelle. Have you been following your daughter around?
Look, I just want to know that she's safe.
And if something were to happen to her, Michelle, what would you do? Huh? Jump out of the shadows to save her?
Do you have kids, Maxine?
No, I don't. But what I do have is a profession and a reputation that I will do anything to protect as much as a mother will protect her child.
Why do I get that feeling that your well-articulated statement has a threat lurking in there somewhere?
You do? Well, I can't help how you feel.
Listen, Maxie, I have no illusion about who and what you are. But understand one thing. If this goes sideways, this little shit show, we all go down in a blaze of glory. So I would suggest you choose what you say. Careful.
You know what? You people are painfully predictable. I mean, there's literally no glimpse of gratefulness in you. And here I was thinking that you would be a little bit different because you're not a Wallace by blood. But I guess after having them both in you, you really can't help it, now can you?
Say it again. I double dare you. As a matter of fact, I beg you. More you know this. We are not friends. We just share a mutual beneficial business opportunity. So, you see, if you ever open your mouth about my personal life again, me kick it back down your throat. And make you have to go use your herbal things then to fix yourself.
Michelle, I'm sure that was supposed to scare me. But for some reason, I'm not.
You know one girl will like have long talking. So, we could clear some space in this, eh? Yeah, come. Nice. Nice. Yes, girl.
Carlton is on his way around here.
Shit!